Hey everybody, Mr. Cameron here, and today we're going to quickly talk about the skill of passing a soccer ball. So in soccer, when you're making a pass, you want it to be a nice controlled pass, you want to keep it low to the ground, you want it to go directly to your teammate or your partner, all right? Now how you're going to do that is, first thing you need to do is decide which leg you're going to kick with. It could be your dominant leg, but in soccer, you can also pass with your non-dominant leg sometimes. So you just need to quickly decide in your head which leg you're going to kick with, okay? Now, let's just say that I've decided that I'm going to kick with my right leg. It's my dominant leg. I'm going to make my pass with my right leg. So what that means is when I'm getting ready to start my pass, I'm going to be a little bit behind my ball, and then the first thing I'm going to do is take a step next to the ball with my toe pointed in the direction I would like to pass, so maybe my teammate or partner's over there, with the leg that I'm not kicking with, so my non-dominant leg in this case. All right? Now, the reason you want to step next to the ball is so now that you can start building some momentum with your kicking leg. It also is going to line you up to your target, and you can complete your kicking motion. All right? So once you take that step, now you're going to start swinging your kicking leg, but as you're doing that, you're going to turn your foot sideways, so that way when you kick the ball, you're actually kicking it with the inside part of your foot right here. If you kick it with your toe, you're going to have less control of where that ball goes. It might shoot off this way, or shoot off that way, or go too high in the air. So when you're making a controlled pass, you really want to make sure that you're kicking with the inside part of your foot. All right? So I'm behind my ball, I'm ready to make my pass. I take my step with my non-dominant foot or my non-kicking foot. My toes lined up towards my target. Now I start swinging my kicking leg. I turn my foot, and I make a nice, easy pass towards my target. Okay? And of course, depending on how far away your target is going to depend on how much force you need to use. So if your target's much farther away, you might have to kick a little harder. If it's a nice, short, controlled pass, it might just be a softer tap getting the ball to your partner. Okay? Passing is a very important skill in soccer. It's important to move the ball and not just have one person control the ball the whole time. So make sure your passes are accurate. Is going to really help your team or help you out. Okay, so one more time, start behind the ball, step with your non-kicking foot, toe pointed towards your target. As you swing your kicking leg, turn your foot so you're making contact with the ball on the inside part of your foot. All right, after you kick, you can follow through a little bit just to make sure your accuracy is where it needs to be. All right, have fun, I'll see you soon.